Hi, my name's Morgan. Welcome to our workshop about cucumbers. I'll be joined by my classmates Ashley and Seth here in a moment, and they will each talk about their different parts within this project. Ashley is going to be talking about our needs assessment, which is where we went and talked to our community members and got information about who is using the food pantries. And Seth will be talking about how to wash, prepare, and store the vegetable. And then we'll also have some fun recipes and then some nutritional facts about cucumbers as well.
The purpose of our program was to educate individuals on consuming more cucumbers in their diet. Our intention was to improve the likelihood that people will consume more cucumbers and develop healthier lifestyles. In a study conducted in 2005 by the Illinois Department of Public Health, only 24% of adults consumed 5 or more servings of fruit and vegetables each day, while 76% consumed less than 5 servings per day. With this alarming statistic, we designed this program to help individuals increase their consumption of fruits and vegetables. We chose to focus specifically on cucumbers, emphasizing the nutritional benefits of consuming them. Cucumbers are low in calories, very water dense, and have antioxidants helpful in maintaining a healthy diet. According to a study, cucumbers cleanse the body by flushing out accumulated pockets of waste material and chemical toxins. When thinking of our target audience, we thought that younger people might need a more in-depth nutrition session, whereas older adults may already have some sort of nutrition background. According to Mary Beth, the majority of individuals who are part of this program are seniors and families with children. With this specific audience, our program educates individuals about the nutritional content of cucumbers, as it is an easily understood concept for all ages. Not only will our audience be educated on the nutritional content of cucumbers, they will also be informed on proper food safety techniques to prevent foodborne illnesses and other minor mistakes that could lead to major health problems. Being educated on how to wash and prepare foods are important for proper food safety. The 3 most important behavioral actions to implement are washing hands and surfaces before preparing food, separating food to ensure cross-contamination does not occur, and refrigerating cold food properly to reduce the chances of spoilage. We understand that a person's ability and willingness to make behavior changes are affected by numerous factors. If a person does not see the need to make a behavior change, they won't. Families and friends can influence a person's mindset about certain foods, in this case, cucumbers. Reminding people that they are an indirect influencer to others might motivate them to establish healthy eating behaviors so they can be better role models. The final determinant that can affect behavior change are the resources provided to the person about initiating and maintaining their behavior change. In this case, we provided participants with a handout that has nutritious recipes using cucumbers. This educational handout informs individuals about the nutrition content of cucumbers, provides a specific recipe, and has a link to a video of one of our group members preparing the recipe. Since the Arthur Produce Rescue Establishment does not have the resources to show the videos, we included the link at the bottom of the handout so participants could access the video in their own time.
Hello, my name is Seth Wilson, and I am here to talk to you about food safety regarding separation, cleaning, and storage of cucumbers. Food safety is important to decrease the likelihood of germs being spread and cross-contaminations of foods occurring. We can ensure this by following a couple of procedures. This procedure should be done for all produce items, but today we're going to solely focus on cucumbers. Before we talk about how to properly prepare and wash cucumbers, let's discuss how to properly separate cucumbers so cross-contamination will not occur. First, make sure you separate cucumbers from raw meat, poultry, seafood, and egg items from cucumbers in your cart, refrigerator, and while preparing them. Use one cutting board for cucumbers and a separate one for raw meat, poultry, and seafood. And remember, never place ready-to-eat cucumbers on a plate that previously had raw meat, poultry, seafood, or egg items unless the plate. Now that we have our food separated properly, let's start with washing your hands for 20 seconds with warm running water and soap before and after preparing the cucumbers. Then make sure to wash your cutting boards, dishes, utensils, and countertops with hot soapy water after preparing the cucumbers. Use paper towels to clean up kitchen surfaces. If you're using cloth towels, make sure to wash them regularly. Finally, rinse fresh cucumbers under running warm water and scrub them clean with a produce brush if you have one. Lastly, we need to discuss how to properly store cucumbers so they stay fresh for as long as possible. Keep cucumbers away from raw meat, poultry, or seafood while being stored, even while in zip-top bags or sealed containers. You can easily do this by keeping your cucumbers in the produce section of the refrigerator. Make sure to keep cucumbers in the refrigerator and preferably in that zip-top bag or sealed container until you are ready to prepare them. If they are left out of those containers, they will go bad faster. Consider wrapping cucumbers in a paper towel while in a zip-top bag or that sealed container to absorb excess water because of the cucumber's high water content. This will help them stay fresh longer. Check on freshness periodically. Whole cucumbers last about 1 week with strategies above. Cut cucumbers last 1 to 3 days in zip-top bags or sealed containers. Please make sure to use your checklist to ensure your safety. Thank you.
So this is one of the recipes that we're including on a quick and easy way to include cucumbers into your diet. So this is cucumber onion salad recipe. So for this you will need 2 cucumbers, 1 clove of garlic finely minced, 1/2 of a medium Vidalia onion, 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. You will need equipment, and you will need a knife, fork, spoon, measuring cup, measuring spoons, mixing bowl, and plastic wrap. So first, you will slice cucumbers and place into a large bowl. Then you will cut the Vidalia onion into long, thin stripes and add to the bowl. In a 2-cup measuring cup, add the vinegar, salt, sugar, garlic, and water, and then mix well with the fork. Pour that mixture over the onions and cucumbers. Then cover tightly with plastic wrap and store in a refrigerator for 1 hour before serving. Attached is the YouTube link so you can watch the TikTok video that Ashley made displaying how to make the recipe. This is a recipe for a cucumber melon smoothie, which is a nice refreshing summer treat. So for this recipe, you will need 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt, 1/3 cup of honey, 3 cups of chopped honeydew melon, 2 medium cucumbers, peeled, seeded, and chopped, and then 2 cups of crushed ice. You will also need measuring cups, spoons, and a blender. So for this one, you'll place 1/2 of each of the following ingredients into the blender: yogurt, honey, melon, and cucumber. You'll cover, process until blended, and then add 1 cup of ice, and then cover and blend again until smooth. Then pour into glasses and serve. So the nutritional facts for this recipe is that in 1 cup, it's 155 calories, 2 grams of fat with 1 saturated gram of fat, 4 milligrams of cholesterol, 48 milligrams of sodium, 28 grams of carbohydrates, and that includes 26 grams of natural sugars, 2 grams of fiber, and then 9 grams of protein. Hopefully you enjoyed those 2 demonstrations on how to incorporate cucumbers into your diet. So these are some of the main nutritional benefits of eating cucumbers. So the main ones are that they're low calorie and high fiber, and that they're 96% water content. So this is why you can eat them, and they will help keep you regular because of the water and the fiber. And then they're also full of flavonoids, tannins, and antioxidants. So most of the nutrients are in the peel of the cucumber along with the fiber. So a serving size is 1/3 of a medium cucumber, and these nutritional facts listed are from a serving size. So in 1/3 of a medium cucumber, there's 45 calories, 11 grams of carbs, 2 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber. It's 14% of your daily intake of vitamin C, 62% of vitamin K, 10% magnesium, and 13% potassium. So some other ways that you can incorporate cucumbers into your diet is by having them in slices, dipping them in ranch, adding slices to your salads, or you can even add a few slices to water and make cucumber water for a different take on a fresh drink. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed.